Let's start the morning off slow. This year, I want to make peace wherever I go. I want to find peace within myself. Steady and allowing it to flow like a spring stream, clear and clean, running strong, but also delicate. As the sun reflects and shines through the darkest areas, bringing peace, warmth, and clarity and abundance. I want to feel more patient, like the trees catching rays and listening to the bird song. Watching the seasons come and go whilst remaining grounded to the earth. I will allow myself to feel enveloped between the Great Mother's arms as she rocks me in her gentle winds. I will prosper. I will grow. I will find stillness like never before. I will cultivate my inner being and bring her forth from my very core, and watch her flourish into the becoming. I will honor my love, my inner child, and let the laughter escape my lips like raindrops falling from the crystal blue skies. I will dance. I will cry. I will give. I will fly. I am divine. I will honor my death. I will honor my spirit. And I will be peace and comfort. as we drew our adventure to a closure. All the neat, beautiful things that we gathered from the woods, we brought inside and set it in our crystal dish to use for magic. I appreciate you guys joining us on our walk. Hey guys, today I actually have a new box for some unboxing fun. This one is not the Goddess Provisions, it is the Witch's Roots. I kind of already know a little bit about it because I do not have a subscription. This was actually from last year's April box. I purchased it because it is a fairy box, and you guys know how I feel about fairies. So let's get to opening this box and see what's inside. Oh, look at this. Okay, first I see a card, it looks like. Oh, and Spirit. Spirit is a flow of insight into the true self. Look how beautiful that is. It's a wonderful, pretty card. And I will probably put that on my other altar back here. Now this box is new to me because I have never purchased one of these. So let's see. Oh, cute. Let's see. It's the Fairy Passage. Okay, so this kind of tells us a little bit about what is going to be inside of the box. That is so cool. Oh. Look how neat this looks. Hey, let's see. Mist clad in the light of the moon, star-spun seekers, I search for thee. Fairy light, I ask thy boon of branch and thorn and elder tree. Wood woven creatures, shadow weavers, river keepers come to me. Just beyond reaching, never in keeping, spirits of fairy, I call unto thee. Wind hewn wildness, darkness and brightness, spiral enchantments born of the sky, cradle me with elven hands, abide with me, thy human child. W.B. Yeats. That is so pretty. Ooh, I'm going to have to find somewhere to hang that. That's just awesome. Oh, looks like we got a little page for your Book of Shadows. That will be a gorgeous page to add. It tells you about rose hips.
native to Europe. Other names: briar rose, dogberry. Oh, this is so cool. And the element of water, which I am a water sign. I'm a Cancer, so rose hips resonate with me very much. Celestial influence, moon, of course, Venus. The artwork is just so pretty on all of these. Let's see what else we have in here. Let me dig. Oh, let's see. Oh, we have a new crystal, it looks like. How gorgeous that is. I do not have one of these. It kind of reminds me of like strawberries or some kind of berry. You'll have to look and see exactly what that crystal is. Let's see. Oh, plum blossom tumbled tourmaline. As one of the most perfect stones for calming anxiety and fear. It truly carries with it the energies of peaceful vibrations and relaxation. As you carry the stone with you throughout the day, rely on its energies to bolster your self-confidence and bring new inspiration. This beautiful stone is also said to be the bridge to the spiritual and beyond. Oh, that is so cool. That's awesome. Sick. I love it. So here. Oh. Looks like another oil, possibly. Is this an oil? Yes, it is. Let me smell this really quick. Oh my gosh. I see lavender floating right away, but it smells like fresh picked berries. It's called Twinkle Offering. It's beautiful, a ritual anointing oil. I don't know if you can see that really well. It has all kinds of pretty, looks like herbs floating in here. Reference this paper again. Okay. This wonderfully fragrant blend has been created to inspire and attract the elemental energies that surround you. We enchanted this magical anointing oil with yin yang. Jasmine oils have been included, the herbs of lavender, dandelion leaf as well. Oh, but it smells like berries, you guys. I wish you could smell it. And of course, we had to get an herb, because I know that these boxes come with herbs. Rose hips. You know, I was getting really low on these, so this would be wonderful. I like to dress some of my creativity candles or love candles with rose hips. That's awesome. It smells so good in here. Okay, let's see what this is. See if I can get this tape off of here. I should have got some scissors before I started this video. It's tough to get off there. Candle. Feels like a candle. Oh, smells like lavender. Look at that. You can never have too many candles. You guys are probably always seeing me burn candles on here. Herbs. Oh, looks like we also have a deck of cards. Forest Fae. Look how wicked. That is just so freaking cool. Let's open this up. Forest Fae. It's like a little deck of oracle cards, maybe? Curious messages of enchantment. Yeah. Enter the forest, seek wonder and enchantment, and hear the curious messages of the Forest Fae. This set of 40 magical cards invites you to delight in your imagination and spark joy and inspiration. Go beyond the boundary between this world and that to escape your way into the forest and to magic. I love that it has a little mushroom here. Let's just kind of oh, how to use the cards. Let's kind of look through these just a little bit. Oh, look at that. The Soothsayer. Oh, I really like that one. The Green Maid. These are just magical. Oh, so cute. You know, that one kind of reminds me of the Dark Crystal, Jim Henson's. Oh, that is just so magical. Oh, the artwork on this is just divine and is darling. Ooh, I really love that one. Forest Sister, the moon shines brightest after the storm. Oops. Of course, an owl. Love owls. This one just jumped out at me. The Storyteller. Stories are medicine, strengthening, and renewing. Look at that. Amazing. I will definitely use these. I am very happy with that. Can never have too many decks. Okay, looks like the last item in the box. Yeah. Okay. Spring Awakening Ritual Incense. Look at that. Okay, let's smell them. Oh, it's almost got like a citrusy kind of smell, like, oh, and if you know me, you know that I love oranges. It's like my favorite smell in the entire world is the citrus smells. Very uplifting, awakening. Oh, God, I love all of these. Oh man, I have to say though, by far my favorite would be the Oracle deck, the Forest Fae. That was just so beautiful. And the oil just smells so good. I'm just gonna, oh my God, guys. I'm gonna have to put some of that on. Just oil myself up. Definitely gonna use that for magic workings. It just smells wonderful. Yes, I'm so happy with that. And I'm very happy with this too for my Book of Shadows, the Rose Hips. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and just the video as a whole. I am going to find a home for these items and reflect on the day that I have been blessed to have so far. Tonight will be a busy night as my daughter has 2 after-school activities. She has practice, so I will have to go pick her up from that. And then I will have to take her straight to a game for another activity. I'm so proud of her. She's doing so well, keeping her grades up and keeping that drive. She blows my mind. I admire her and I do look up to her. Thank you guys for taking time out of your day to view my video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. These videos will hopefully get a little better as they go. I am definitely working on learning to edit and upgrading my camera as well. Thank you guys for sitting with me and watching and listening. I hope you have a beautiful day.